Alright, hello third grade, welcome to Thursday. Today for reading we're going to be going over mythological illustrations. Now illustrations is going to be a picture and we're going to be comparing it. So just kind of what we did on Tuesday this last week when we were finding themes, we were taking the reading and remember they didn't just tell us the right answer, we had to take an educated guess. Which means we're going to have to take the pictures and the words and figure out which one is going to be the best answer. And again, the best way to do this is we're going to go through some examples and we're going to be talking about our answers. So when you do the homework, it'll give you an opportunity to discuss and double check your answers and make sure that it makes sense. It helps if we talk about it. So let's get started. Alright, so there are many ways to illustrate a person, a place, an event, or a story. So that's going to be the drawing. Artists make choices about colors or composition, the way something is arranged, the way it looks, and details to show in their images. So when we are comparing two pictures of the same thing, we have to think about the artist's choices highlight different ideas or feelings. So we have to pay attention to what the author is saying. So both of these pictures show Skadi, a goddess in Norse mythology. And so we have to select the picture that suggests that Skadi is a hunter. So we have to look at the picture and let's think, and our hunters today, they go out into the forest. Usually they have a weapon with them, a gun, a bow and arrow, and they hunt an animal and usually they bring it back so they can have the food and the fur. So which one suggests that she's going hunting? Well, here, we can't really see. She's just looking at a piece of cloth hanging up. It doesn't really suggest hunting at all. But when we look at this picture, we see she's outside in the wilderness. We see mountains and we see she's holding something. It looks like a sphere that could be used to hunt animals. So now we have to think with an educated guess which one shows that she is a hunter. Well, this one makes the most sense. So we're reading what's going on at the beginning and then we're just talking through each picture, looking up clues. Because they're not telling us the right answer, we have to make an educated guess about which one is the right answer. So let's move this way. All right, both of these pictures show a gray wolf. In Russian folklore, a magical gray wolf helps the hero Ivan win the hand of a princess. Select the picture that suggests that the wolf is fast and strong. So, if we look at this picture, the wolf is just looking at the moon. Does it show us that the wolf is strong or fast? Nothing's really hinting at that. It's just staring at the moon. And then when we look down here, we see we have a wolf and we see there's two people sitting on a wolf. That's pretty strong, right? For a wolf to carry two people, it'd have to be a strong wolf. And it looks like they're moving as well because he's not just standing. His paws are out front like he's running. So this picture would suggest that the wolf is fast and strong. Now again, they're the same picture of the same wolf, but we want to find which one suggests certain things that the wolf is fast and strong. This one suggests that the wolf is fast and strong. Let's do two more examples, talking through our pictures. So remember, we're finding examples in our picture of, oh, this is right. This is how we're making our educated guess. So both of these pictures show Pegasus. In Greek myths, Pegasus is a horse god with wings. Select the picture that suggests the horse is fast. Alright, so now, before we pick an answer, let's talk about both pictures. So here we see a lady is riding on the horse, and it looks like they're going fast. You can see her hair is kind of going up like this. Usually if we ride with the car windows down, our hairs will kind of like go back, and that shows like the speed, how fast you're going. So that could suggest that the horse is fast. So when I see this picture, it looks like the horse is just standing on a cloud. She's not really moving, so it doesn't necessarily show that the horse is fast. It shows that it's a horse god because they're in the clouds, but not that the horse is fast. So again, with our educated guess, with our inferences, and we're looking at our pictures, we would suggest this one, and we have details that we know that we can agree on. So now let's go to our last one. Both of these pictures over here show the Trojan horse. In Greek myths, the Trojan horse was a gift to the Trojans from the Greeks. And look, gift is in quotation marks. It was secretly filled with Greek soldiers. Select the picture that suggests the Trojan horse is huge. Because remember, this horse should be able to fit so many people in it because they were hiding in it. So when I look at this picture, look how small the people are standing next to the horse. They're like this big and the horse is this big. So already there, it shows that the horse is huge and that people are in there. But when we look at here, the people are about as tall as the horse, right? It's not a big horse, and we can compare by looking at the people. So the people are definitely smaller compared to the horse here. And the horse and the people are almost the same height here. So now which one shows us that the Trojan horse is huge? This one makes the most sense. They're not telling us the answer, but we are making an educated guess. And we came up with the reasonings and talked about it to make that guess. Alright, so take your time, talk through each picture, and when you do answer, I want you to be like, why am I picking this one? What in the picture is the reason that I think this is the right answer? Alright, have a great rest of your day and have fun. Happy Thursday!